Listen and practice. It's hot. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. The hot sun is shining in the blue sky. Jen lives in Australia. Jen and her friends are not at college today. It is the weekend. Jen is on the beach. She's standing on the hot sand. She's waving to her boyfriend, Rick. Rick and Jen's friends are in the sea. They are swimming and surfing. Rick is very happy. He has a new surfboard. The surfboard is red and white. I'm going surfing. My new surfboard is very fast. It's great. Rick's favorite sport is surfing. I'm going swimming. I'm going to look at the fish underwater. See you later. Jen walks along the beach. She sits on some rocks. Jen puts her blue rubber fins on her feet. She puts the yellow mask and snorkel on her face. The water is warm. Her blue fins splash loudly. Jen takes a big breath. She dives under the water. She moves her blue fins and swims very quickly. She goes down and down. She can see fish and plants. She can see fish and plants through her yellow mask. The fish and plants are very beautiful. The fish swim all round her. Jen can see yellow fish. She can see blue fish. There are green, red, and white fish. Jen looks at the plants. They grow on the rocks. There are tall plants. There are small plants. Jen touches the plants. Some plants are soft. Some plants are hard. Fish live in the plants and rocks. Jen sees a sea urchin. She doesn't touch the sea urchin. It's dangerous. It has sharp spines. Jen swims up to get air. Her snorkel comes out of the water. Jen takes a big breath. She dives down under the water again. Jen swims past a large rock. Suddenly she stops. She sees a dolphin. It cannot swim. The dolphin is in a net. The net is round the dolphin's body. The net is round the rocks. The dolphin cannot swim up to get air. The beautiful, blue dolphin is dying. The dolphin moves its fins slowly. But the net is strong. The dolphin cannot break the net. The dolphin is out of the net. The dolphin moves its fins quickly. It swims fast. The dolphin swims up and up. Jen pulls the net from the rocks. She pulls the net from the dolphin. It takes a breath of air. The dolphin looks down at Jen. Then it swims away. Jen is happy. She tells Rick about the dolphin. Next day, everybody is swimming. No one is surfing. The sea is flat. The sun is high in the sky. The hot sun shines on the water. The water is silver and blue. Men, women, and children are in the sea. They are playing and laughing. Everybody is happy. The lifeguard watches the sea. He looks at the people swimming. Suddenly, he shouts loudly, "Shark! Quick! Get out of the water!" The shark is swimming quickly. It is hungry. Its black fin is above the water. The shark is swimming towards the people. Everybody is frightened. Sharks are dangerous. They have long, sharp teeth. Everybody swims towards the beach. Jen and Rick are swimming a long way from the beach. The shark comes towards Rick. Jen is very frightened. She shouts at Rick. The dolphin is swimming towards the shark. The dolphin hits the shark. Rick sees the shark's black fin above the water. The shark is 30 meters away. Jen and Rick swim towards the beach. Now the shark is 15 meters away. Jen can see the shark's sharp, white teeth. Suddenly, they see another fin in the water. A blue fin. It is a dolphin. It is the beautiful blue dolphin. The dolphin hits the shark again and again. The shark swims away. Rick and Jen are safe. Thanks, dolphin. Thanks for saving us.